There is a lot to love about the Takeya water bottles, and I may be butchering their name, but I really do love these water bottles. My favorite is the stainless steel one. I take that with me everywhere. It's double-walled insulated, but my son needed a sports water bottle, something that's lighter that he can take to school, but he still drinks a lot of water. So I want to get one that's big enough for his whole school day. And I went with Takeya specifically because I don't think he's going to be able to break this one like he breaks his other water bottles. And one of the main reasons why is this top piece right here. Not only is this replaceable if he does break it, which I don't expect, but it's super, super sturdy. It has this great handle. This part twists open, and that's how you drink. And this one actually has an ice block as well. So if you fill it with ice, it's not going to come through the large straw on you. And then you can fully clean it. Both this piece and this piece have silicone pullouts. So you can pull that out and really get in there when you need to make it really clean. So that's something I'd probably do just once a week. The whole thing is dishwasher safe too, which is such a time saver for me. As for the water bottle itself, it's a little wider than one of the standard skinny sized ones, but it still fits in his side backpack pocket just barely. And then on the bottom, it actually has the silicone piece that comes off. This is great to help from slippage. It just keeps it solid in place, but it also can stick to things like backpack pockets. So if for any reason you're not getting it into the pocket you want, you can just take this off and then it's much more of a standard plastic water bottle. Really, really durable, built to last. And that is exactly what I want out of this. It comes in a variety of colors. I really, really love the red color. And once you twist the top on, and I still can't get over how cool the top is, it even has this like silicone rubber around it. So it has this really great grip to it, which is really nice for twisting it tight on and getting it off. But once you get that top on, it's completely leak proof. It is fully sealed, super strong gasket, and this twists on so well. There just isn't any chance of leaking. And finally with the top, not only is the handle great to walk around and hold, but you can put it down out of the way. And this piece also just stays out of the way, so when you're drinking, it's not falling in your face. I can't say enough good things about this water bottle company. They really have fantastic bottles with all the parts replaceable and a lifetime warranty.